We're here at 210 Dryden Road to see room 26. Let's go on in. I like this room because we have the nice two bright windows. We're facing east here. There'll always be a desk and chair. We've got the bookshelf over here. Here's the mini fridge, your dresser. There's the door we just came in. You can see the closet over here. This one does have actually pretty good closet space. It does go all the way through. And we've got the full-size bed over here. There's the heater in the wall. So that's a look at room 26. We're on the second floor of this 3-floor house. We're at 210 Dryden Road. We're located just 1 block from campus. This house has, on each floor, there are 2 bathrooms and a kitchen at the end of the floor that are the shared common space. So take a look at the video for that. And we're 1 block from campus here at 210 Dryden Road.